Then the first thing you'll do is you're going to open up the driver's side door, and then you'll see there is a little car hood symbol. You're actually going to pull on that. That's going to release the initial hood release. So now to open this, you're going to go just left of center. You're going to put your hand in. You're going to go about 1.5 inches in. You're going to feel a little tab. You're going to push that to the right, lift up. The hydraulic should pull it up. And now that we have the hood open, you're going to go to the left side here, and here's where your fuses are in the fuse box right here. There's 3 little locking tabs that are here to secure the cover. What you're going to do is touch the top, slide down to that next lip, push in, and then you'll lift, and that will release the first one. And then you're going to do the same thing onto the back one. Now I've done 2, and then you're going to come over to the side, and that's the third one. You're going to remove your cover, place it in direction so that you can see the words, and then you're going to read through this, and I see the horn is right here for the relay, and then there's a 15 amp horn fuse here as well. So I'm going to turn this, I'm going to actually set this so you can see this angle is the same as the angle right here, and then I can come over here and I can test this. When reinstalling, you're going to push, make sure all 3, push in all 3 areas. See, I was missing one. So you'll push in all 3 areas where the locks are, make sure they've all popped into place.